Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire P700 phone outlet tester, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The P700 checks phone jacks in one easy step. Just plug in the tester and observe the tricolor LED. Green indicates proper wiring. Red indicates the connections are reversed, and yellow indicates ring voltage from an incoming call. No indication means the line is dead. A second LED will glow if the jack is wired to two phone lines. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.